Hello everybody, so what we have here today is the Harbreeze Centreville ceiling fan. This replaced the Harbreeze Armitage, which is all over the bed right now because I just got done installing this. And the box, yeah, this thing broke down and then I guess we replaced it. Well, I did, and yeah. I didn't put the pendants on because they look retarded as hell. Here they are. This is what they look like. I don't like them, so that's why I didn't put the pendants on. So, yeah, let's start the light. Yeah, there's two switches that these are on, so the light, and turn the other one on. That does the fan. Just that one right there. But, yeah, let's go to low. Here's low. These 52-inch not Armitage, Centrevilles. I'm pretty sure use the same motor as the 42-inch ones, so it takes a little bit to speed up. It's not the fastest fan in the world, but when it does speed up, it moves in all right amount of air. I don't like that thing on the bed. But let's go to medium. This thing isn't making noise. I want to put a white Hunter Oakhurst too, because there's the Oakhurst first generations in the other downstairs bedroom and the upstairs bedroom, but unfortunately that didn't get to happen. That's just the door stopper thing. Maybe when this thing goes kaputzo too, then I can get an Oakhurst. Here's the light, and it'll put off. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.